I'll be using the Cell Fracture extension. If you're using Blender 4.1 or earlier, this will be under add-ons. I'll also be using the Node Wrangler add-on. I'll be using the default cube for this tutorial. In edit mode, I right-click on the cube and subdivide it 4 times. Back in object mode, under the object menu, I go to Quick Effects, then Cell Fracture. The source limit is the amount of detail, and noise determines the randomness. Using the M key, I move these individual pieces to their own collection. I hide the original cube in the outliner. With all the pieces selected, under the Object menu, under the Rigid Body submenu, I choose Add Active. I add a plane and scale it up. Under the Object menu, under the Rigid Body submenu, I choose Add Passive. I open the timeline and press play to see the fracture. I can now hide the plane. In the UV editing workspace, I select all the individual pieces. Using the U key, I unwrap the pieces using the Smart UV Project. I open the shader editor and make a new material. I'll be using a rock texture from Ambient CG. The link is in the description. I select the principal shader and use Ctrl-Shift-T to set up the texture maps. I increase the scale as needed. I add a color ramp between the roughness map and the principal shader. I move the white color stop to the left to reduce the shininess of the material. I select all the individual pieces and save them as an FBX file, making sure I activate selected objects only. I change the smoothing to face. I make a blank project. In the content drawer, I make a folder for the rubble. I import the rubble into the folder. I select all the rubble pieces and drag and drop them into the scene. I can now scale and rotate the rubble. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about making Rubble in Blender and import it into Unreal Engine 5, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.